This web page looks like a real developer made it, but I did not write one line of code. I only describe it. Today I show you how to build your first real thing with Claude Code. Today you will build a simple profile page, your name, a short line about you and some links. Small but real, and you will see the full method here. I'm here in this PC. I will go to this folder Claude project. You can open any folder. And inside this, I'm going to make one new folder and let me name this as profile page. I will press enter to open it, and then I will open my PowerShell or command prompt. So I'll open this PowerShell windows here. Now, first I'm going to create a virtual environment. I will write here Python mvenv dot venv. This will create virtual environment in Python. Let's wait for a few seconds. It has created the virtual environment and now we need to activate it. For that, you will write here dot slash then dot venv scripts, and then you will write activate. Now you can see that you are inside this virtual environment. Let me also make it full screen. Then I will start my Claude. I will write here Claude. Now you have to press yes. I trust this folder. Claude is running. Now we just talk to it. The trick is to describe it like you are talking to a helpful friend. Say what it is, what is on it, and how it should feel. So I have these prompts I have already written in the text file so that I can show you here and I can share it with you instead of typing now and saving some time. So this is the first prompt that I have. I'll copy it from here. Or let me first read it. So the prompt is build a simple personal profile web page in one HTML file, put my name at the top, a short line about me and three links, email, GitHub and LinkedIn. Make it look clean and modern and center everything on the page. Use nice colors and rounded corners. Now I'm going to paste it here. I have to press this again. Now you can see that this is the prompt here. Then you have to press enter. It has started. Now it will ask you to review to approve. So you just have to do that, nothing apart from that. It is asking me to create this HTML dot this index.html. I'll press yes for enter. And you can see it says done created inside this project, Claude project, profile page. This is the folder index.html and what it has created, your name, then your email address, your username for GitHub, and then LinkedIn. See how much detail I gave. The more clear I am, the better the result. Claude is writing the page and you can see it has just finished it. Now the fun part is let's open it in the browser, and I'm not going to open it. I will ask Claude to open it for me. So here in the prompt, I will write open this page in my browser so I can see it, and I'll press enter. I don't have to do anything. It will open the browser on its own. It is asking me to proceed. This command requires approval. I will say yes. So it says that I launched it with start, which hands the file off to your default browser. It should be open in a tab now. If nothing appear, it usually means there is a No default browser set or the tab opened behind another window. A few quick checks. Look at your taskbar. Tell me if the tab opened and what you would like to tweak. I will say here browser did not open because we cannot see any browser here. Now it is asking me open HTML file via window shell. I will press yes. There it is, a real web page, your name, email, GitHub, and LinkedIn. You can all put it here. And this is all from just a few sentences, nothing like you don't have to write any code here. And if you did not like something, you can just say you want to change it. And for that also, I have a prompt that I will show you. So what I will do, I will say I like it, but there are two changes that I want to make. Make the background a soft dark blue. You can see the background for now and add a round profile photo placeholder at the top. So here also you will see what changes we will see after this prompt. I'll copy this from here and then I will go back to terminal and press enter to put this prompt. Let's see how it makes now. It is editing the file. You can see this red and green one. It says, do you want to make this edit to index.html? I will say yes. Do you want to make this edit to index.html? Yes. And also for this edit, I will say yes. It is asking me this command requires approval. Okay, I will press yes. It has opened it. And let me go back here. Yeah. So this is the new one and this is the older one. You can see the difference clearly. The background has been changed. It is now blue. The profile icon has been added here. It is so great. You can see the difference. You just have to write the prompt and the changes are there from this color to the icon that I have asked. So this is the loop. Loop is like you have to describe, look, ask for changes, repeat until you love it. So you can write anything in the prompt to refine it more. It's not like you just have to write two prompts only. It is a looping process. You have to write, you have to tell what you want to make change, and you will see the difference here. So you can see the difference between the first and second prompt. And let's make it feel alive. I will ask for a small hover effect on the links, and for that also I have a prompt. So I'll go here and this is the prompt that I will be using. When I move my mouse over a link, make it gently change color, keep it smooth and simple. So I'll copy this, and before that, if I show you here, if I'm hovering here, you cannot see anything. But let's make the changes and then see the difference. So I'll put it here and press enter. It is asking me whether to make this edit the index.html. I will say yes. I will press again yes to edit this. This command requires approval. Now it has done the changes and it wants to open. Let's approve it. I will press yes. So this is the third one. Now when I hover over it, you can see the link glows a little. Small touches like this makes it feel real. So what did we learn today? We built a real web page by describing it in a plain words. We opened it and we changed it by asking. That is the power. You are the boss. Claude is the builder. In the next video, we learn plan mode. It helps Claude think before it builds. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe. Let's keep building together and see you next time.